Escape the hustle and bustle of the city with our blooming and flowering plants, perfect for small spaces like your patio, balcony, or porch. Transform any corner of your home into a tranquil oasis, where you can find solace and beauty amidst the chaos. Bring the serenity of nature right to your doorstep and indulge in moments of peace as you admire the vibrant colors and delicate blooms of these enchanting plants. Reconnect with the simplicity and joy of nature, even in the heart of the city.